Nuts and mama. Wow, no cars. Yeah, I'm gonna overtake you. I'll take video. Wow, so nice. Look. Car. There's a jeep coming. Wow.
Huh? Like that one? Oh.
Cannot go already.
I don't think I can go in. U-turn.
You done,
Aiya, but U-turn go where?
Just carry out, just along the Yongping all the way down, lor. See where you go, lor.
Confirm, go under the shade.
Careful, U-turn, careful. Yeah. Okay, here go slow, don't get puncture here. Woohoo! Let's do it!
Now we are recording.
Yes, I am. I'm recording, so I go behind.
Go slow on here.
Route 6 is meant for non-route. Nice, eh? Maybe it's a new route, they're trying to, construct the route. Careful car, motorbike. Like route lah. Okay, we find a place that you stop that can no blind spot one. A bit. That's fun. Is it mud? Let's see. No, it's but just a short segment only lah. It's flat lah, don't worry. Let me go first. I go first. Okay lah, nothing lah, a bit only.
It's a short stretch.
Yeah, short stretch.
Then after this, will come a different sound.
Woohoo! Nice. Please no flat.
I'm also scared.
Multi-strada usually can tahan this kind one.
我也是怕 flat。
flat 险我有 pump 啦，你有 pump 吗？
我有。
Okay， 我也是有。Okay, all is road so far, no problem. It's just a concrete slab here. 哇，很漂亮，你去前面。哇 ，hum. There's a hum.
Roger.
Time to explore, people. This is what riding is about.
You really hit a multi-strada.
Yeah, man. Come on, Eugene. You're not young anymore, Eugene. Get a multi. 尽量你要小便吗？尽量 stop here and pee first lah. Here, white stretch. You can see ma.
Yeah, we're far enough from civilization.
Time to pee. Take some picture. Yeah, wow, nice. Take picture here. Hey.
Don't take a pee can take it first.
Wow, really like quiet stretch there here. Damn,
Maybe
nice.
Should be
really no one.
B first, B first.
Hey, you taking eh?
Okay. Never mind what.
Cannot. Later you post then TD make sticker already.
Well, nah, don't worry. I'm actually I'm recording all the way. What? PD, you know, I can see the. Okay, I'm standing behind, so you can see the, you know, the stream. Yep, turning left. What the fuck? No lah. PD, you turn left. Arm again.
Huh? You checkpoint there?
Huh? 真的啊 GG 笑 eh.
Yeah.
Never mind, ask them lah. Ask them. You say we need to go over.
How
Ask them. Hello.
Are you ask?
How we are going to no, I don't know which there's this waterfall thingy. Is it here? Here huh? Can
You nak pergi mana? Pekok
masuk ini. Okay, thank you ah. Miss Ken one lah. Thank you. Bye bye. Wow. Hey, that means just now we could have done that lah. Alamak. Aiyo.
There the road I think better eh.
Hey, supposed to turn here leh. What the fuck? What do you? How?
Go straight.
Go straight lah. Go straight lah. Okay lah. Okay lah.
Go straight also can.
Yeah. Oh my god, guys, it's the same. How? Oh my god, this one is like.
For how far yeah? Hey, quite far eh.
That's why they tell you the what's that? The timing is like 40 minutes. Now 30 minutes on. Want to go or not?
Oh, I don't think can make it sia, but
sure can make it. It's only whether we will gonna puncture or not. Eugene, you turn already lah. Don't waste time lah. So, no need to debate. You turn already.
yeah, look at the mirror.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we go out the same place ah?
Wow, far. That's the only way I think.
Wait, left. I think we're still debating want to go now. This guy behind the mirror. This is part 2 of our lost journey. We are trying to see where this leads us to. We are already lost, but we're trying to be more lost.
Get lost.
Hey, off-road again, guys.
Serious lah.
Yeah. Try lah. This one is just
Okay.
yeah, flat only. Just go slow lah.
Yeah.
If you turn the kapchai will laugh at us eh. Say kanina yo. Hey, I can, you cannot. Hello, what is this? Hey, so now we are effectively on dirt road. And there are eyes looking at us. Based on my GPS, still lead us there.
No, but you are going where? To
Don't know.
the waterfall close already eh.
Okay, wait. So y'all want to go by here or don't want?
I don't know. You cannot pay.
I mean I can lah if y'all want.
Carry on. This one looks over there.
Yeah, it's all flat lah, flat. Should be quite okay.
This one
Hello.
is the same as the concrete.
Well, always also friendly, but I think everybody was thinking, it's called 祥来, 小狼啊.
Yeah lah, that's right. 是大老板来的。
Eugene, come on man, time to get a multi-strada. This is what multi-strada is made for, man.
Today I'm doing fine on my motor.
Hey, why you're so far away?
I don't know so far.
Okay, crossing the bridge here. Nice.
Oh,
Come on! See guys, this is how far I am from them. See, this is how far. Okay, come on man. Okay, so upcoming here is Jin Liang and his white multi-strada. Woohoo! Okay, do a pop a wheelie here. Woo, okay, cool. Never wear safety gear. Bad. And this is Eugene on his monster. Whoa. Supposed to be straight lah. Supposed to be straight.
Straight ah?
Supposed to be, yes. But that's to the waterfall lah. Okay, where's our destination now? Let me check. Shit, I got no data also. Oh my god, this is... So, I think we should go straight.
Oh, but don't continue straight ah?
Yeah. I see what's the situation in front. I'll tell you all lah. Oh no, it's not here. My turn left here one.
Oh, turn left ah?
Yeah, it's not this one. So okay, not so bad. Yeah, it's not here. This one is gravel already. This one's still okay. Yeah, correct. Yeah, then after we lead us to the main road. Okay, I saw already the map, correct already. Okay, we're going to hit the main road already. We're going to hit the main road. Trust me. But
when you reach there, you'll be oh
hey, you guys are... Oh my god. Okay, connection lost.
Connection lost.
What? Oh my god, where are they?
Wow, so down with you.
Woohoo, come on man, I'm recording. There's Jin Liang coming down the hill.
Wow, scary.
Wow, not bad. Eugene do it on the monster, don't play, no.
Wow, this is the most off-road I ever been here.
Come on, Eugene.
Maybe after this, you really get multi.
See, I run faster than Eugene. I run faster.
Oh, that one best. The guy go past me, then he give me a stare, then he got...
Coming!
Guy got tire over my nose.
Okay lah, just go slowly.
I also don't want to be chao ta. I thought just going back out that way, right? Oh, okay, wait, I went back my sector first.
Careful, Eugene.
Okay.
Jin Liang putting his jacket.
OK。
太热了，这边 stop。
Careful now when it's coming down for diagonal too.
OK。小心啊，记得这边。
Not that bad.
Wow, it's getting worse. It's like a bit like Himalayas leh. It's a bit like Himalayas. Oh my god, so funny.
Carry on, Steven.
Okay. Wow, Desert X is perfect all this.
Yeah.
Oh, road! Oh no, it's not. Oh my. I see road, guys!
Thank the Lord.
Oh man, my engine just cut off. I see road!
Grid connection lost.
Finally, we've managed to see road. Car, got car, lorry, yeah guys.
Okay.
Wow, very fine here, wow, don't know where it's here, so nice. Like go to Cameroon like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, this is
How did it really come to
yeah, wow, show you really like the Cameroon, like 3 peaks, 3 peaks. Okay, DOCS right, let's go off-road together. Okay, a lot of mud on the floor, careful guys. The thing is, you dangerous, I don't know got car or not.
Wow, it's one way over the show.
Yeah. Us. This one go to the waterfall, is it? Waterfall there. Ah. How much?
You want buy water or not?
Okay, wait. I think must pay money.
Oh. I got it.
You buy water,